Summit, in the heart of the rugged North Cascades, in Washington State, USA. We're providing consistent quality for people whose business depends on a steady supply of superior grade, competitively priced lumber products. We are committed to our customers. Over 45 years of experience are focused on one goal: to consistently maintain the ability to deliver large quantities of kiln-dried lumber. We deliver over 150 million board feet of lumber a year to the American domestic market and the international market, including retail lumber dealers, wholesale distributors, and export companies. Businesses whose customers expect consistent quality day in and day out. Our business is built on people, our people, who handle each decision with the pride and care of professionals who know their job counts. Our workforce of 400 is second to none. Our workers have been with us an average of 13 years or more. That means your lumber has been selected and cut by people who excel in their jobs. One of the many reasons we can bring you consistently higher grade, tight-grained dimensional lumber at consistently competitive prices. Our management has acquired skills by starting in the field. Years of experience direct every decision. Summit is run by men who know the industry. And our team management concept helps ensure stability in every interaction with our clients. We're committed to protecting our environment as well. Each process is carried out with the least environmental impact possible, and total commitment to keeping our forests and rivers clean. Quality control begins at Summit the moment we pioneer a road, and ends when our client receives his lumber. We purchase our timber by competitive bidding from the U.S. Government Forest Service or other landowners in the heart of the North Cascade mountain range. When the logging is done, the land is carefully replanted to provide a new forest for future generations. From Snoqualmie Pass to the Canadian border, we provide the equipment and trained teams of men who skillfully remove timber from the high-altitude slopes. To harvest these logs, we build an average of 7 to 8 miles of all-weather road per year. Our logging and road building operation employs 45 trucks and 280 pieces of machinery that must be coordinated efficiently if clients are to receive the best lumber possible for each dollar spent. Once the roads are built, our cutting crews move in to fell and buck the trees. A thin plastic wedge nudges the tree's center of balance toward the exact spot the feller has chosen for it. Moments later, a 25,000-pound Douglas fir or western hemlock hits the ground. Safety and quality consciousness demand precision in each move. To save the most undamaged clear wood, each tree has to fall in the best lay possible. Next, the bucker hand cuts massive segments into premium lengths and the best grades. This is crucial to providing the highest quality. Now the logs are moved from where they fall to their roadside landing. The crews who work at this altitude and on inclines of 15 to 45 degrees are dedicated men. Their mobile spar tree is descended from the times loggers used the tallest tree in the stand to get the lift required. To haul giant logs off slopes like these, without damaging them. We maintain a constant supply of logs to keep our mills processing optimum quantities of lumber. This helps us ensure prompt delivery. The yard and mills handle in excess of 110 truckloads per day. The log stacker picks up a whole load at once, up to 70,000 pounds. Once stacked in the yard, the logs are graded by scalers, employees of an independent scaling association. Then the logs are sorted by species, diameter, and grade, and taken to one of two mills to be put through a debarking process. And cut to preferred lengths. The largest logs are sent to our grade mill, where they are sawn by band mills, under the supervision of the sawyer who makes every decision about how to cut each log for optimum product mix. Most logs enter our high-tech mill, where our overhead end-dogging carriage and high-speed canter convert 3,200 log segments per 8-hour shift. Once the log has been scanned, a computer controls the band saws, which can make up to 4 cuts on each pass. It's designed to get the best cuts from each log. Our quad resaw converts the center cant into final product sizes. Then the optimizing edger squares the surfaces with least waste. Our computer-optimized scanner trimmer controls the length trimming and sorting operations from a remote control center. The sizes and lengths are automatically sorted into 62 bins. Then the rough green lumber is stacked in the yard to be kiln dried. Our investment in up-to-date technology is part of our long-term commitment to serving our customers. Our 3 kilns can simultaneously dry up to 900,000 board feet of lumber. Operator expertise is very important to the drying process. Electronic sensors constantly monitor moisture content of the lumber during drying. Final moisture content and speed of drying can be adjusted at will by the operator. The lumber is cooled under cover, then put through a planer. Each board is surfaced to exact standard dimensions and is tested to verify its moisture content. Next, our hem fir is cherry tone water repellent treated. The surfaced lumber is expertly graded by certified graders to Summit's high standards. Summit's quality consistently exceeds Rule 16, the industry standards. Then each board is trimmed to uniform length and highest grade. Finally, lumber is sorted by length and grade. Bundles are end squeezed, painted, and end sealed. Now the finished lumber, from 1x4s to 2x12s, is ready for shipment to our clients. We are responsive. We can make shipments rapidly to both the domestic and international markets. And since we control our process from the tree through delivery, we can stand by our products. We can assure each customer that every shipment represents the very best in lumber quality and value. Our ability to deliver what you need, when you need it, at consistently competitive prices, is our commitment. We care. We're the Summit Timber Company. We'd like to be of service to you.